Come on, let's go fight some evil. Yay!
You know what, Leo? What? No, I really like your blue bandana.
I know.
It's an antique. Gotta be careful with it.
You were being by the change. Aw, you started fighting without us? Dang it.
Now you're eating pizza without us? Really? It's your fault? No, it's not.
Stop fighting.
Yeah, please.
I can't believe they're nice and there's no feelings showing up.
Well, maybe you was too late like Leo. What? I wasn't late. Yes, you were. That's probably you're the reason why I missed out on fighting in the pizza. Oh, yeah. Well, maybe you're not a good leader. I'm the best leader, thank you very much. Well, I don't think so. Oh, yeah? You know what? You're a giant piece of nuts and bolts. Well, you're a giant piece of blue, and your feet smell like motor oil. Oh, yeah? Well, your feet smell like Mikey's rotten pizza. Your feet smells like even more motor oil. Guys, please. Loser. Jerk. What did you just say?
Oh boy. That is something. Hey, want pizza?
Nope. My son was wrong.
Well, ever since Mel and Leo got in the fight, they've been pretty mean to each other.
Well, you have to calm down. You have to control your anger. That's the thing. Take a deep breath. Slowly breathe in and out. And then say sorry. And you forgive each other. Sorry. I'm sorry too. Friends.
Join together. Oh. Can we please Times Forgot Evil on our way?
Okay, let's go.